Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello, my beautiful YouTube family. In this video, I am showing the animals from my farm. I love my animals and I enjoy sharing their daily life with you. Farm animals are very beautiful and important for our life. I hope you enjoy watching my animals and farm life. If you like animals, this video is for you. Please like, comment, and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more animal and farm videos. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel. If you want,